Using typography, photography, iconography and illustration, graphic design is the method of visual communication and problem solving. The area is considered a branch of visual communication and digital design but is often used synonymously with the word graphic design. Graphic designers create and combine icons, pictures and text to represent concepts visually and messages. Graphic design refers to all visual elements, from road signs to technical schemas, from interoffice memoranda to reference manuals. The layout can help with the selling of a product or a concept. It applies as part of the branding to products and company identity elements such as logos, colors, packaging and text. See also advertising. In the variety of services provided by graphic designers, branding has become ever more relevant. Often the graphic designers are part of a branding team. Graphic design is used in lighting, scenery and visual storytelling in the film industry. Many examples of film design include novels, vinyl album covers, comic books, DVD covers, opening credits and closing credits in movie production, as well as on-stage programs and props. This may also include artwork used for selling of T-shirts and other screen-printed pieces. From science papers to news stories, with illustrations and insightful arrangements of visual knowledge known as knowledge design, the presentation of opinion and evidence is also enhanced. Newspapers, reviews, forums, TV and film documentaries may rely on graphic design. With the emergence of the Internet, we are gradually using content designers with expertise in digital technologies to explain the history to news reports. Data visualization, which includes using programs to view and turn data into a visually convincing display, which can be related to information graphics, may include information design. There can be many classifications of graphic design, but these are the main of them. 1. Visual identity design. A company, organization's relationship to its public is known as branding. Brand identity is the way a company expresses its personality, meaning and language, along with its feelings, experiences and memories. Likewise, visual identity graphic design is the visual elements of the brand identity that act as the face of a brand, so it can express these intangible qualities through images, colors and shapes. In partnership with brand owners, visual identity graphic designers create logos, color palettes, typography and image collections that reflect the brand's personality. Designers usually come up with visual design instructions, style guides, apart from making daily business cards and client stationery, that have the best visual branding strategies and examples used in various media. These guidelines help ensure the brand's consistency through all future application. 2. Marketing and advertising design. The graphic design reflects the prototypes made for ads and advertisement to the majority of people. Enterprises rely on the best marketing efforts to influence their target audience's decision-making process. Efficient marketing encourages consumers to engage with a product, service or brand based on their desires, expectations, knowledge and satisfaction. Seeing that visual content is more appealing to customers, graphic design lets businesses, organizations connect more easily and advertise themselves. Marketing designers collaborate with company owners, executives, and marketing experts to build marketing strategic assets. Some work as freelancers and others work as part of an artistic community or in-house unit. Many designers specialize in a particular form of media such as magazine advertisements and car wraps, or produce a wide variety of collateral for print and digital use. They used to concentrate on print, but the function has expanded to include more digital assets to be used specifically for content marketing purposes. 3. User interface design. The user interface or UI is the way a user communicates with an app or computer. UI design is the process by which interfaces are built to make them easy to use and offer a great user-friendly experience. A UI comes with everything that a user communicates with, such as the keyboard, mouse, and screen. However, in terms of graphic design, the focus of the UI design is, among others, on the visual interface of a user and the design of graphic elements such as buttons, menus and micro-interactions. A UI designer's task is to strike a balance between aesthetics and technological functionality. UI designers deal on mobile apps, desktop software, websites, and games. They work hand in hand with user interface (UX) programmers who know how the app works, and developers of UIs who write the code so that it can work. 4. Publication design. Publications which come in long-form pieces interact via public dissemination with viewers. They used to be in print media such as books, magazines, newspapers, and catalogs, but in recent decades there has been a huge rise in digital publishing. Graphic designers who are specialized in publications coordinate with publishers and editors to produce layouts that have carefully selected typography and accompanying works of art, such as graphics, illustrations, and photography. Publication designers may either work as a freelancer, employee of a creative agency, or as part of a publishing company.